Hi all, in this video I am going to explain how to use ESP32 board with Arduino IoT Cloud. Arduino IoT Cloud is your gateway to build your own IoT projects easily and efficiently. It has some key features which makes it better than other IoT platforms. And we can integrate Arduino boards and non-Arduino boards with this platform. And also it ensures secure communications and data storage using encryption. And you can also store the data from the sensor in the cloud. And one of the main advantage of this platform is you don't need to make another dashboard in your mobile application. You only need to design a dashboard in the cloud platform. Also, one of the major key feature of Arduino IoT Cloud is the web editor. You can write, compile and upload code to your development board directly from your web browser. So you don't need another Arduino programming software. So let's start. We can search Arduino IoT Cloud. If you open the site, you can see interface like this. Here you can see get started for free. And also there are some plans for this which you can make more projects. For free, you can only make 2 devices or 2 things. So we can click on get started for free. And here they will ask for sign in. If you have no account in Arduino, then you can click create your account, but I have already created my account, so I am giving my credentials and click on sign in. So if you sign in, you can see interface like this. Actually, I have done one project. It is showing here. And before using this, you need to know about some terms. They are things, devices, dashboard, and devices means which all physical device you are using. Its virtual form is created in devices. And in things, you will create a variable. So first step is to create a variable. So click on things, then click on create thing. And here you can see cloud variables. Variables are what you can monitor or control to make your thing function. For example, a temperature or a smart lamp. Once created, you can use them in your sketch. Okay, so we can click here, add. So here I am going to make LED. So I am giving the variable name as LED. Then you need to select the variable type. And this thing is similar as you give variable in your program. So here I just need to turn on and off. So I just need to make the variable as boolean. So here you can see the declaration line came, bool LED. And you need to give variable permissions. So if it is boolean, you need to give read and write. If it is a sensor value, you can give read only. And here variable update policy also on change. No need to change periodically. Then you can click add variable. So look, it came here. Next you need to select associated device. So before that, you need to make a device. You need to create a device. So we can go back. Then click on devices. Then click on add device. Then which board you are using? If it is Arduino board or any other board. We are using ESP32, so it is a third-party device. So I am clicking on third-party device and select ESP32, and then you need to select the model. So my model is DevKit V1. So you need to select your model and click on continue. And you can give a device name. My device name I am giving as Roboprenr. Now you can click on next. Here you will get a device ID and secret key. This secret key we need in the next step. So we need to keep the secret key safe, and you can download the PDF. If you click on download PDF, a PDF will be downloaded. Then tick here, I save my device ID and secret key. Then click on continue. Okay, so we have done setting our device. After setting device, you can see its status here. If it is online, it will be shown here, and the how much you use the device, all details it will shown here, and also associated thing also shown here. So we need to add the thing to the device. So we can go to things, select the thing. Here we can click select device. Here our device name came here, so just click on associate. Our device came here. Now we can configure with our network. Give your Wi-Fi and your password. We need to take that secret key. For secret key, we can open the PDF, then copy from here and just paste here. Just give save. Now we have given the credentials for our Wi-Fi. Next step is to create the dashboard. Now go to dashboard and create dashboard. You can click here and click on add. So I'm going to turn on and off, so I need a switch. I'm clicking on switch, and here the widget name is given. You can change that. I am giving it as MVP switch. Then we need to link variable. Look, we can see our variable. Just click on that and link variable. Then click on the done. Now our dashboard is ready. So everything is ready. Now we can go to sketch. The program is already done, but this is the base of the program, just a outline. And here you can see our variable is given, and think properties .h library is also included. And in this, if you want to include more libraries, you can see here we have all the libraries, means no need to install extra libraries, it is already installed, so you just need to include it into your program. And now we don't need any libraries. And void setup is here. So inside void setup, we need to set our pin. The inbuilt pin is on GPIO 2. So I am giving pin mode 2, output. And you can see a function void on LED change. And if any change occurred, it will do whatever instructions we have given in this function. So we just need to make the status of the LED according to the switch. So I can type digital write to comma, and I need to get the status of this variable. So I'm copying from here and giving here. Only this much is the program, and whenever this changes, it will be executed. So we can do verification. It may took some time for verifying. Okay, done verifying. Now we can directly upload this code to our development board. But for that, we need an extra app called Arduino Create Agent. And I have already uploaded it. If you are doing this first time, while the time of uploading, they will tell you to install this app. And if it is installed, you can directly upload this to your board.